Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Jonathan with Aim Preparation LLC, and today we're going to be talking about the inspiration behind creating this channel. We're going to be talking about future content that's going to be coming out, what's going to be the purpose behind them, and what it is that you're going to expect from watching these videos. So let's move into the inspiration. So the inspiration behind creating this content is because not everyone has been so fortunate to have a father figure or a mother or someone savvy in firearms, and being able to break down their firearm and reassemble it properly. And then the point of these videos is to show you how to safely break down your firearm, and it's going to be every individual firearm. The videos are going to be broken off into different sections. This is the Taurus series, this is the Glock series, this is the Walther series, and it's going to be pistol based. And then you're going to see a category for rifles, different brands of rifles, how you break them down. And then you're going to see a shotgun series and how those are broken down. So those are going to be what I call the brother videos. And about 2 weeks after that, you're going to get another video, and it's going to be the sister video, which is going to be how to clean your firearm. So you're going to get a 2-minute video on the breakdown and the reassembly of your firearm. And then you're going to get about somewhere between 7 minutes, 15 minutes at the most, of how to clean your firearm properly. So, and if there's any questions, you can always comment below and let me know, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And yeah, that's it. I know everyone has not been so fortunate in their life, and not everyone has been blessed with somebody to teach them. And so I'm hoping that by you guys being able to watch these videos and share them with others, that you'll be able to see and properly break down your own firearm and be able to teach somebody else. And that's it. Thank you all so much for joining me tonight. And I hope you'll have a blessed evening and a great day tomorrow. Thank you so much.